In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zelle with Huntington Bank 2025. First, make sure you have the Huntington Mobile app installed on your phone. If you don't have it yet, head to your device's app store, search for Huntington Mobile, download it, and open it. Using the mobile app is important here because for many users, Zelle is built directly into the app and may not appear in the online banking website. Once the app is open, sign in with your Huntington login credentials. If your device supports it and you've enabled it, you can use biometric sign-in to make things faster and more secure. After you're in, look for the Payments or Pay and Transfer tab. This is typically found along the bottom menu, and it's where Huntington places the Zelle feature. Inside that section, find the option for Zelle or Send Money with Zelle and tap Enroll. This begins the process of linking your Huntington account to Zelle so you can send, receive, and request money quickly. Next, you'll choose how people can reach you on Zelle. You can enroll with either an email address or a US mobile number. Pick the one you check most often, and remember that each email or phone can only be linked to one bank within Zelle at a time. If Zelle says your contact is already in use, you may need to move it from another bank first. Huntington will then send a one-time verification code to the contact method you selected. Grab that code from your text messages or email and enter it in the app to confirm you control that contact. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or request a new code. Never share verification codes with anyone. You'll be prompted to review and accept the terms and conditions. These outline how Zelle works, important timing details, and transfer limits. Once you accept, your enrollment is active. You can now start sending, requesting, and receiving money. To send, choose Send, select, or enter your recipient's email or US mobile number, type the amount, add a memo if you like, review, and confirm. To request, choose Request, pick a contact, enter the amount, and send the request. To receive, simply share the email or phone number you enrolled with. When someone sends you money, it goes straight into your Huntington account. A few quick notes and cautions. Zelle transfers are fast, often in minutes between enrolled users, and are typically final once sent. Only send money to people you know and trust. Transfer limits can vary, so check your app for your current daily and monthly limits. Keep your app updated, and if you ever change your email or phone, update your Zelle contact in the app to avoid delays.